Next up, I want to call to the stage my uncle. My uncle, he'll be your uncle by the time he's done with his set. The king of the wordplay, Uncle Howie!
Yeah, I always want to say that. But not to no bikers. Sebring, make some noise. Well, I am a Jamaican, obviously. And I know what I look like. I look like the Jamaican that speak no damn English. I also look like the Jamaican where if I am inside of a non-smoking building, surrounded by non-smokers, and out of nowhere, somebody smelled marijuana. I'm fucking guilty. Not a damn thing I could say. I'd be like, officer, I swear it wasn't me. And the officer goes, yeah, okay, Bob Marley, step outside. So I'm very, very happy to be here, Sebring. Very, very happy to be here. Yes, I came here all the way from Jamaica.
Glad to have you.
30 years ago. Yeah, if I didn't get on a banana boat 30 years ago, I would not be here tonight. So just a little lesson for you guys. Yes, that's how long it takes on the banana boat. From Jamaica to America. Long trip. Let me tell you about the last job I have in Jamaica before I come to America. Now, so in Jamaica, this big bank in Jamaica, one of Jamaica's top banks, they found out that prostitution was taking place after hours behind the bank. So they hired me to stop it, to weed it out. Those of you who does not know what prostitution is, tonight I'm gonna tell you what it is. Now during prostitution, there are always two people fucking. Always, every time. What I mean is just full speed, full commitment fucking. And therefore my job is to always stopping two people from fucking. Some beautiful, wonderful job, right boss? So my typical night at work, you know, I go to work and I'm in my security booth and I'm watching the parking lot like a hawk. And the very moment I spot two people fucking, I spring into action and I would rush over to them and stop them from fucking. So how do I do it? Now, you know, when they give you these jobs, they don't tell you how to do it. Or they can't tell you. What the fuck they gonna say? They can't tell you how to do it. So I came up with my way. So I would rush over to them, hit them with a speech. And I'm talking about not just any speech. A real high class motherfucking speech. You know, some full of big words I get from Google about shit that I don't even understand. So I rush over to them and I'll be like, okay, get out of here. Whatever you're doing, this is immoral. And it's against Section 5 of the Jamaica Prostitution Code. Some shit like that. But I don't know what I did wrong, folks. I don't know where I go wrong, but before you know it, there were two people fucking everywhere. Apparently, the road get out on the street of Jamaica, that Uncle Lowy is one awesome, cool dude that not trying to stop nothing. Before you know it, all the prostitutes in Jamaica found themselves at home. With security, of course, and don't forget, I'm a security. And you motherfuckers can question my security ability all you want, but those prostitutes felt safe with me. And I did that job for almost 3 months before they fired me, and I never lost one prostitute. All right, Sebring, it's a pleasure. Dan, big up yourself. Give it up for Dan. Your man, your host, Sebring, a pleasure to be here. Thank you, everybody.
Give it up for Uncle Howie.